In this video, I'll show you how to install the NaturalVision Lite graphics mod in GTA 5 step by step for better visuals on low and medium PCs. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the script hook V and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open bin, drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Once you're done, close tab here and open OpenIV. Right click on the Lite mod and select Open with WinRAR. And open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for a tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager. Make sure to install 3 of these. Then close, select the edit mode and select the yes option. And now drag and drop this Natural Vision Lite installer. Select the install option and select the mods folder. Select confirm installation. Once installation done, close tab here and launch the game. I show you guys before and after graphics comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.